welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week more volatility on gold. You can see yesterday NFP data that was released. That's the not positive for US dollar. That's the unemployment rate increased to 4.3% and NFP dropped to 114k and average hourly earning also dropped to the 0.2%. That is not positive for US dollar labor data. That's last Friday was released. So gold price, that's the I am in the daily chart. You can join with my Telegram, link is below. Make good profit from the gold trading. So I am in the daily chart gold that you can see. This is the strong resistance area. 2477 area is the strong resistance area with the technically that price reached that area and dropped from that area yesterday last Friday. So that was happened. So yes, last week. So technically this is the good resistance area for sellers. Price sell area. This is the area left side you can see. So that's the price reached that area and dropped from that area. Strong drop. That's the Fed forecast to the strong labor market to the cut rate in September. You can see the Fed watch tool. I am in the Fed watch tool website that you can see 69% forecast to cut the rate to 5% to 5.5% to 5%. So 31 forecast to rate cut the 25 bps and another 25 bps rate cut was forecast is priced into the market. So that's the last FOMC meeting. Forex was mentioned that the labor market will strong labor market data we will see to the cut rate in September. That you can see the not labor market strong data was released. That means rate cut forecast is not continuing with the labor market is not strong. Last Friday was released. So that is happening. So daily chart goal. So I am going to the 4-hour chart for your clear picture. You can see this is the left side is strong resistance. The take profit area is gold investors is 2477 area and price strong drop to the below side. So let's see what is going on next week, the technical analysis, and I am going to the Forex Factory website. What is the economic data you should touch with the next week? So next week ISM services PMI is there. That's the Fed forecast to increase 51.4%. that you should touch with this economic data regarding US dollar if you are trading gold. So you can see this resistance area. This resistance becomes support. Simple technical theory. You can see this resistance becomes support in here. Price push to the upside in this area. This is the 2420 area. So this simple technical theory. You can see price some support to the upside again, and I am seeing price which area price will continue. This is the area with the 4-hour chart. This is the price created. That's the lower low. That's the higher high. This is the area 2450 area. This area is the QM sell level area. The price continue to this and can be dropped to the again. This is the area 2450 is your sell area next week, and if price will continue to the break this area and retest, that is price continue to the again 2477 area. With the technical setup for our this is the area 2450 is the psychological level for your sell trade. So wait for the confirmation. This area wait for the confirmation, get the sell trade. If not confirmation, the price will continue to the upside as well. So that is the next week technically picture with the forward chart, you can join with my telegram link, get the active rate signals, analyze gold trading. So get the trade with the confirmations and the time frames confirmation, risk management as well. Thank you very much.